Someone mentioned that they are in Los Angeles. And so Los Angeles actually has their follow-up auction happening here December 6th. And so this is all property that didn't sell at the previous auction. So we've got properties remaining for sale. I'm going to go ahead, click this link, and we can have a look and see what they got left here. But this can be a great opportunity. A lot of people may not show up for the second round. They may just go ahead and do the first auction. And so now we've got this one. Let's see, tax defaulted. Actually, I should just be, I think I just get it from here. Yeah, property list. Okay, 2025 B resolution list, online auction sale. So the thing is that there was actually a whole bunch of, these were all not sold, which is pretty wild.
Wow.
I don't know how big the original list was. Wow, this is wild. Yeah, yeah, look at that. There's a ton of stuff here. So a lot of this stuff is vacant lots, which I'm sure a lot of these are irregular sizes. We've talked about these before, how in Los Angeles, there's a whole bunch of lots that were split up in a way that they should never have been. And so there's no use for them. And you would have to go ahead and get a whole bunch of them and then push them together to actually make something work. And so that's, I mean, maybe you could do something with that. It's pretty wonky.
Oh,
I'm
that
sure
is
there's
an
an
interesting
easement.
one, eh? Yeah.
Yeah. Uh, I'm sure that you have, I'm sure that whoever has this parcel, there must be an easement where other people can use it. You never know though. But I did also see, so that's kind of something that maybe you wouldn't necessarily want to pick up. But I did think I saw some actual addresses. And sometimes there's some hints there in the legal description. I see condominium unit 5 in Long Beach. Let's check this out. It says minimum bid is 7,424. 5585 East Pacific Coast Highway. Okay, so this is probably something else that maybe it's the actual condo. It says last sale price 92,500. Improvement value 65 grand, land value 50 grand. So maybe it is a condo. I'm not too familiar with LA prices. Yeah, this could
Hmm.
be the real deal, guys.
What was
This
the
could
bid on that
be
again?
the real deal. 7,424 bucks.
Wow.
Yeah.
Not too
Yeah.
shabby.
So they're saying it's worth 60 grand, but Zillow's got it closer to 318, which makes way more sense. I couldn't imagine a condo going for 60,000 or sorry, $100,000. Let's check out PropWire real quick. Just look at the comps real fast for very similar stuff. Yeah, 1-1. So 275, 368, 348, 280, 337, 363. Yeah, you get the idea. So that's not 100 or 200. That's hitting high 200s and 300K. So that has an opening bid of 7,424 bucks.
Hmm.
Wow. That's really good. And I believe this one,
Actually, Josh, back when was it? One of our guys, Tom from California, I think got a condo for 9 grand there. I've shown
yeah,
him before in our videos, so it's definitely possible.
I think this is online as well. I'm pretty sure bid of registration. Let's see. Yeah, because it's on gov.ease. Yeah, so anybody can participate in this. You can get online. You can register online. Gov.ease is an online platform. So the individual said they were in Los Angeles. There we go. Right here. Yeah, you definitely want to check out this auction. And really, I mean, anybody for that matter, because yeah, you can register online. Gov.ease. Just make sure that you register in time. Last day to register, December 2nd. And then, of course, go through all of the rules. Make sure you've got a good handle on the terms and conditions so you don't get into anything that could be risky. I know brush clearance liens are a big deal in California. That has to do with brush. like trees and stuff and debris from trees for fires. So this is these can add up. And then of course weed abatement liens, and then watching out for the IRS. But yeah, really good auction. There's going to be some good deals, really good properties, like that condo for worth 300K, opening bid 7. Amazing.
Nice.
There we go.
All right, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I have a free gift for you for watching a free mini course called The ABCs of Tax Lien and Deed Investing. This is one of the best books on tax liens, and it is totally free as my gift to you for watching. In the description below, it'll walk you through tax liens from start to finish, along with the directories with all 1,500 tax lien and deed counties put here so that you don't have to go and search around the internet to find them on your own. So the other thing I have is, if you already have this book and you want to do a deep dive, my team and I have found an auction with a whole bunch of properties worth 200 to 300 grand, opening bids of just 1,600 bucks. So if you want to deep dive and attend an auction with some help, you can also schedule a free call below and we can discuss helping you in this business. Regardless, thanks for watching. You can check things out in the description below and enjoy the videos. We'll see you soon.